Nangu omunye-ke wadlala i-Highlanders-ke usiza abantu Khoza lalimazi ukuthi siza akutshela abantu ukuthi-ke uMaphepha umazi njani.
Okay, mdala thina vele from singama-juniors uMaphepha sasesimazi ngendawo ukuthi wakule Mthala, so sasingazidlala ke nesimthala ngokuba yokuze i-rival vele ukuthi ule team ayikamaphepha. And then in the time sebuya kwalinda that singena ku-first, that was 97-98. Waba nguyi-father figure umdala uMaphepha, waba ngubaba wethu, ngazange ebe ngumanager but waba ngubaba wethu. Ukuthi yonke into ezasiyenza wayesinike i-encouragement, ekwanisa uweza ukucheck endlini wena ungakwazi ukuthi uyabuya but umbone sefikile ngini, wena ungakwazi uMaphepha uyakwazi ngini but wawumbone sekhona esebhakile undaye yakhe ezokuthi ukuthi hayi benza ukucheck abafana bam ndi right yini. So to me uMaphepha he was a father, a leader, you know. I don't know.
Yonke into like a friend.
Yonke into engane sihleka la, sijoka la.
La winamanketho, la winama-titles amangaki ngaphansi kwaMaphepha ngumanager?
Okay, ngesikhathi uMaphepha ngumanager sawina amahulika ngu-4 in a row. That was from 1998 to 2002. So you always remember umdala
ukuthi vele yena lapha into ayibamba yonke ayisiba igolide.
Yonke into ayithinta umdala yayisiba igold, and wayelitshela so ukuthi nganithiwa liyakhupha, nganithiwa lilovalo maybe sisale e-Dynamos sesithi bafana bami akulanto enzima la, siyabulala abantu sithi siyabulala abantu and siyabe sizatshaya abantu. So to me
konke lokubambisa ibhola lokane kwenza kwakungenamuthi lo muthi ayekukwehlisela amanye
wayesitshela vele sithi abantu bayosithi ngilo muthi but nyabe mbatshaya nge-psychology ngengqondo kuphela banambambisa ibhola lijibileke bese beqasa ukuqhuqa. So I think kulama memories amaningi ngoTopo uMaphepha, amaningi kakhulu ukuthi ngathi ngiyakhuluma ngoTopo uMaphepha liyakwanisa ukuphuma ilanga lokho ngikhuluma ngayo.
No. Siyabonga sizonto kade sisenzana empilweni.
Mina lokhu ngiseBorena ngimthi coaching, ngikhocha i-development ye-Highlanders the past 4-5 years, so ngishila kathesi but I'm second division side, train Naples.